Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Sultan. I am from Medicine class. Right now, I would like to give you some details about how to make body better. This time, thank you for having me to take this video and this project. Right now, I would like to give you some tutorials, and the first step is you have to do the jumping jack. How to do jumping jack? Let me show to you guys. You must do it for 30 seconds. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You must do it until 30 seconds. And then the second step is lunges. How to do lunges? Yeah, let me show you guys. Lunges is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You must do it until 30 seconds to same like before. And then for another gesture, like you have to do climber, a mountain climber. Why is that? Did you know, guys? Actually, it's so simple for to do, but some people don't want to do it because some people like feeling lazy or something like that. And how to do it? Let me show you. Climber, a mountain climber is like sorry. Okay. You must do like this, the first step like this, and then do like this, and you can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you always to do it, if you always do it every day and every time if you have free time, your body or your fat will be better than before, and you will be brave if you want to show to your friend in front of your friend. For another gesture like push up. How to do it? Let me show you. Push up actually is easy to stand like before, but you have to do it just 30 seconds. If you want to do it more, you can do that. Actually, at my boarding house, I always do it 60 seconds. How to do it? Let me show you. This is the normal push up. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But before you do that, you must action your gesture, your hands and your leg. Yeah. And then what's wrong?
That is all.
Oh.
Probably you can hang it or because the figure is. Oh no. So you can continue.
Okay. The fifth step is so easy. Every day you have to do it in your body pose. What is that? Yeah, this is. You can see, guys. Look at this one. This is so very easy. And then this is so faster, make your body better, and then cut your fat. Yeah. Sorry. show you. This is the last step. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And jelas saya wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.